What if the key to rebuilding your body wasn't found in a supplement, a superfood, or a new workout routine, but in not eating at all? We've been conditioned to believe that constant fuel is the secret to health. Eat often, never miss a meal, snack to stay energized. But what if that advice is incomplete? What if the body's most powerful repair systems only turn on when food is temporarily absent? Fasting isn't just about weight loss, it's not about deprivation or punishment. At its core, fasting is a biological signal. A signal that tells your cells it's time to stop growing and start repairing. And when that signal is sent, something remarkable happens. The body activates its internal renewal cycle. So what exactly is this cycle? How does fasting flip the switch? And why is modern science suddenly so interested in an ancient practice? Let's break it down. When you eat, your body enters growth mode. Insulin rises, nutrients flood the bloodstream. Cells focus on building, storing, and expanding. This is normal and necessary. But growth mode comes at a cost. Repair gets pushed to the background. Fasting changes that equation. When food intake stops, insulin levels fall. This drop is critical. Low insulin signals the body that external energy is no longer available. In response, the body shifts inward, tapping into stored fuel and activating survival mechanisms designed to keep you alive during times of scarcity. One of the most important of these mechanisms is autophagy, a process often described as cellular recycling. During autophagy, cells begin breaking down damaged components, misfolded proteins, and dysfunctional parts. Instead of letting cellular junk accumulate, the body clears it out and reuses the raw materials to build stronger, more efficient cells. Think of it like a deep cleaning for your body at the microscopic level. This process doesn't run efficiently when you're constantly eating. Digestion and growth demand energy. Fasting removes that demand, freeing resources for repair. Studies have shown that autophagy increases significantly during fasting periods, particularly after 16 to 24 hours without food. At the same time, fasting boosts growth hormone levels. Despite its name, growth hormone isn't just about getting bigger. It plays a major role in tissue repair, fat metabolism, and muscle preservation. Higher growth hormone during fasting helps protect lean mass while encouraging fat breakdown. Another key shift happens in your mitochondria, the energy factories of your cells. Fasting promotes mitochondrial renewal and efficiency, meaning your cells produce energy more cleanly and with less oxidative stress. This is one reason fasting is linked to improved metabolic health and longevity. Inflammation also tends to decrease. With fewer spikes in blood sugar and insulin, the body enters a calmer, more balanced state. Over time, this reduction in chronic inflammation supports healthier aging and better immune function. In short, fasting doesn't weaken the body. It forces it to become smarter, cleaner, and more resilient cell by cell. The cell renewal cycle is not a hack, it's not a trend. It's a built-in feature of human biology. For thousands of years, humans lived in cycles of feast and fast. Our cells evolved to expect periods without food and to use those periods for maintenance and repair. Constant eating is the modern experiment. Fasting is the original design. This doesn't mean fasting is right for everyone or that longer is always better. But it does mean that short, intentional breaks from eating can give your body the time and space it needs to renew itself. If this perspective changed the way you think about fasting, share it with someone who believes food is the only source of strength. And if you want to learn how to fast safely, intelligently, and in harmony with your body's biology, make sure to subscribe for more science-based insights on health, metabolism, and longevity. Your body already knows how to repair itself. Sometimes, the most powerful thing you can do is simply step out of the way and let it work.